What's up, all my stock market investors? It is ShPena, and I'm back again with another Cash App investing video. Today, I'm going to be sharing to you some tips on how to overcome market volatility. But of course, always, before we get there, I got to show my appreciation to you and you. I appreciate all y'all for watching. I appreciate all y'all for watching. Always, if you haven't, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the thumbs up on the video. This week, I was able to share an informational resource to the group chat, the stock group chat that we got going on about how to overcome market volatility, because I felt like it was a perfect time. And right now, we're going to have so much volatility. One day the stock can be up, the next day it can be down. And I don't want people to be scared about this. Like, I don't want anyone to feel like they have to pull all their money out the market or that they can't trade right now. There's money to be made right now in this moment. So don't let the market volatility scare you from investing. You got to work around it. You got to work smart and get as much information as you need. And I was glad that I was able to share that little resource to the stocks group chat. If you're interested in joining the stocks group chat, shoot me a DM above and I will send you all the information you need to be a part of it. And if anybody from the group chat is watching right now, let us know what you thought about the 5 tips on how to overcome market volatility. I'm only going to share a few tips from the 5 tips on overcoming market volatility, but I think the 2 that I'm going to share are pretty important and can definitely help you if you're a new investor out there trying to figure it all out. The first one is to tune into the real news. Believe it or not, Trumpito ain't lying when he's saying there's fake news out there. So figure out how to tune into the real news. Figure out which resources are credible. Figure out which headlines from specific resources make your stocks go up and down. Like, so if CNBC puts out a report and you see one stock go down, and you know that that stock is kind of, maybe a lot of investors tune into that news reporting. So tune into the real news, figure it out, ask questions, ask in the comments below what's the real news or where to get the resources from, what sites. We're always sharing what sites we get information from, because I mean, it doesn't hurt for me to share where I get my information from to you, and it doesn't hurt for you to share with me. The next tip is to trust in your trading strategy. I did a video a little while back ago about creating a trading strategy. It's a real thing. Like, I mean, for some, if you're here long term and you just don't really care, you're just gonna buy now so that in 5-10 years it all works out. No, but still, you still have to have some form of a trading strategy. It still has to make sense to you. You can't just out here just clicking anything and buying whatever and just hoping. And you can't just buy whatever is cheap just because it's cheap. It's cheap for a reason usually. At the end of the day, I just want you to be more and more comfortable with the downs, just as you're comfortable with the ups. Just that same happiness you feel when everything is up, you got to feel that same comfortableness when things are down, and see through the negativity, see through the clouds, so you can make decisions. Man, Warren Buffett just lost a couple billion, or damn near a couple billion in a week, based off Wells Fargo and Bank of America 5% losses. He's not running and pulling all his money out and saying, nah, we're not investing no more. You got to take losses if you want wins. And that's why you need to be diverse. I think being diverse is one of the biggest pluses to have in your portfolio in order to overcome market volatility. If you're diverse, you can overcome it. Once you're too much into one lane, you can't overcome it. If you got 5 stocks in tech and tech just decides to shit the bed, what do you think's happening in your portfolio? So keep all these things in mind. If there's anything that you can share in the comments below, please do. And it ain't for me, trust me, because I trade on my own strategy. If there's anything that you can share it for the people that are watching below in the comments, because I think it's just helpful if we're just always sharing stuff. I might have missed something that you could throw in, and we can have a discussion on it. Someone watching that's curious, that may be scared to ask the question, they might that might be the answer. Your comment might be the answer. So feel free to share maybe some tips you have for overcoming market volatility. Man, all I can really say is you just got to stay mentally strong sometimes and be in it for the long run. Be in it for the long run. Trust me, I think that everybody will be way better off if they traded on long-term thinking. But that's just me. You still got to do your research. Don't listen to everything I'm saying. I know I said a lot, but don't listen to everything. Do your research, and don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to subscribe, y'all. It's Friday, and you don't want to hear me no more. I get it. Have a great rest of your weekend. I will see y'all on Monday.